Now this is a problem asked in the CBSE examination, year was 2002. It says find a plus 3b multiplied by 2a minus b if a is equal to this given vector and b is equal to this given vector. Now we are supposed to find the dot product or the scalar product. For that we need to know about the dot product first. So for that please watch the previous video on scalar product and its properties. Now one more thing is very clear, that scalar product can be easily found out because we know the definition. So let's not wait and let's not make this more late. So a plus 3b first you have to find out, because the scalar product has to be found out between a plus 3b and 2a minus b. Let's find out a plus 3b. So if this is your a, let's find out 3b first. It is 3 3s are 9 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 3 k cap. So this is 3b, this is a. Now what is a plus 3b? A plus 3b is 10 I cap because 9 plus 1 is there. Then j and this is 7j cap, then minus k cap. Now when a plus 3b is done, let's find out 2a minus b. So what is 2a? 2a is 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap. Now 2a minus b can be found out from here. So 2a minus b. Now what is 2a minus b? 2 minus 3i is minus I, that means 2i minus 3i. Then this has 0 out of j, then 4k, and here it is 5k becoming. Now the dot product has to be formed from a plus 3b multiplied to a minus 3b. So a plus 3b multiplied 2a minus b, not 2a minus 3b. Now what to do? You have to find the dot product of 10 I cap plus 7j cap minus k cap multiply minus I cap plus 5k cap. Now let's multiply. We know that, see, these are two terms being multiplied. So in mathematics also, in algebra, you used to multiply like this. Then these terms were multiplied and the last terms were multiplied, right? But now what we have to do is, we have to make this very clear that 10i multiplied by minus I can be done, because I cap dot I cap will be what? See, I cap dot j cap and I cap dot I cap means a unit vector when multiplied by itself or a unit vector multiplied by different unit vector. What should be the answer? So this will be like a dot b is equal to ab cos theta. So I j cos theta. What is theta? Because these are mutually perpendicular, cos 90. So it will be 0. Means any two unit vectors which are not same and they are in the scalar product will yield me 0. But here you see it is I into I, which is 1 cos theta. Between I cap and I cap, what is the angle? 0 degree, right? So 1 multiplied by cos 0 is 1. Hence the answer is 1 here and there it is 0. So that means wherever you have to multiply, you have to take only those terms into account which actually are unit products multiplied by each other. So 10i multiplied by I is 10 into 1 is 10, but minus sign should be there. Then this 10i when goes with 5k, this will not be considered because I dot k will also give me 0. Then 7j multiplied by minus I will not be considered. 7j with 5k will not be considered. Minus k with minus I will not be considered. Minus k with 5k will give me minus 5. So this is minus 15, that is the answer to the dot product. So we have to make very sure that what do we have to consider. This question seems very long, very typical, but in fact it is not. It is the basic of the dot product.